Yo, this is mad work. This is mad work. Like, I would pay somebody to come help me take these shits out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Jaisha, and today we are going to be taking down my faux locks. I also want to give you guys an update on my hair because I know it's been a minute since I have made a natural hair video, so we're going to talk about that as well. But let's get started with removing the locks. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. Like, I didn't install these locks myself. I went and got them done. I've been getting that question from a lot of people, and I'm flattered that you think I'm this talented, but I did not install these myself. So I don't really know how they're installed, how to remove them. This is my first time ever having faux locks, and I have seen some horror stories of people cutting their own hair when removing soft locks and faux locks and stuff like that. That's not happening. We are claiming that that is not gonna happen. I guess I'll start with the front. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I know that the top is wrapped and there's a faux lock in here, and my hair is braided in here somewhere. And she said this hair is wrapped clockwise, so we're just gonna go counterclockwise. Am I going counterclockwise? That would be this way, right? Yeah. I'm trying to find my braid under here. Oh, there she is. So here's my hair. This is my hair. This is the lock still attached. I'm just gonna cut the lock off. We're safe. Now we can figure out how to get the rest of this off. Got it. Okay, that was a little bit harder than I thought. Hopefully I figure out a better technique as I get through each one. It's braided, or is it like, I need a rat tail comb. There's a lot of edge control on my hair, a lot. So anytime I'm taking out a protective style, I try to be super gentle with my hair. You're already gonna see a lot of your shed hair coming out, and I don't want to cause any breakage. I don't want to be rough with the detangling process or removal. I am going to use this Camille Rose mid condition spray to help detangling. You can use a leave-in, you can use this is the same spray that I showed in my last video to keep my scalp clean. It's kind of like a leave-in though, but because it's water-based, I really want it to help with my detangling. So you can use a leave-in conditioner, it could be a creamy conditioner, you can use an oil just to help with the detangling process. Because like I said, my hair is really stiff right now from all of the edge control. And I'm gonna try to start the detangling with my fingers instead of a comb. It might look or feel like you're losing a whole lot of hair when you're taking down a protective style, and it can be a little scary, but it's really just your shed hair that has been trapped. Now, sometimes you could also have some breakage, so you want to be careful and make sure your protective styles are really protecting your hair. Okay, so I took a few out off camera. I had to like just figure out what was going on and get the swing of it. So there is, at least this is how mine was done. This is the lock, and there's a crochet lock like somewhere right here in my braid. Somewhere right here in my braid. That kinky hair that you use for locks is wrapped around, is crocheted at the top and then wrapped around. So it's like a two-part process. And then my hair is in between. It's braided most of the way down and then twisted on the bottom. Yeah, it's time to update you on what has been going on with my hair. How did I even, let me talk to y'all about how I, like, why I got these faux locks in the first place. I can tell you this much. I probably would not get these locks again. As much as I enjoy them and as beautiful as they are, this removal process alone got me like, I don't know, I might just stick to braids and twists. I did want to switch it up though. Okay, so my hair has been acting crazy. Like, I don't know what she has been on, but I was getting real tired. Like, okay, it was a combination of things. My hair has been acting up for the past few months, and I just been itching for something different. Like, I was looking at wigs, I was looking for knotless braids, which is gonna be my next style. I just like, and I was even trying different things, you know, different styles that I don't normally try with my natural hair. Like, I just really been itching for something different. I thought about cutting all my hair off again. I thought about doing the big chop all over again. I thought about getting some color. I don't know why, like, maybe it's the summertime. I don't know. I just had this really strong urge to do something different with my hair. And so I was scrolling Instagram one day and I saw a sponsored post for Locs that was nearby. She was having a special and I was like, let's do it. Okay, so back to my hair. A few months ago, I just started noticing that my wash and goes were not lasting. Like, whatever products I used, whatever technique I used, and I've showed my wash and go routine on here a million times, and I've showed how I get my wash and go to last. Like, it can last for a whole week, and my wash and go was lasting like 2 days, and I would have been trying to figure out why. Like, I would use my best products. Like, you know, you have your go-to products that always give you the results that you want and your hair always lasts. No matter what product or technique I was using, it just wasn't lasting. Like, my hair would be super poofy. On day 2, I would have to redo it or just, you know, put it in a bun. And it was consistently happening and I couldn't figure out why. Like, I did protein treatments, I did clay mask, I don't know what it was. Now I will say, before, you know, earlier this year, there were a few weeks where I was not doing all of my hair routine. I fell off a little bit with my deep conditioning, which is not the usual for me. So I wasn't really taking my time to like deep condition weekly. This lasted a few weeks. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but I had gone back to my regular deep conditioning routine and it was still acting crazy. So I don't know if it was something that I used or I don't know, but that was another reason that I was just getting tired of it because my wash and goes weren't lasting. Twist outs never last me more than 2 days anyway, so I'm not converting to that. Yeah, and I mean, my hair didn't feel like dry or anything like that. I was very confused, and it's a first for me on, you know, this natural hair thing. Like, you know, we all have our bad hair days. Not that anybody's hair looks perfect all the time, but it was just consistently not doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it was not giving. I was using the Dew, my Big Papa gel, Eco Styler gel. None of it was working. I didn't understand why my hair was like a big poofy mess in 2 days. Maybe like 3 tops would be like the most I could get out of it. And y'all know I love definition in my hair, and you know, my first day was really looking more like my 3rd day when I would do my hair, and then by day 2, day 3, it was just done. They encouraged me to like try different styles with my natural hair. to get it, you know, to last me until wash day. What's the longest you keep your protective styles in for? I think 4 weeks, maybe like 5 is my max. If my hair is still not acting right after all of this protection, these protective styles, I have no problem going back to being bald-headed. I will big chop because it's been on my mind. Or maybe I'll just keep protective styling because it is so amazing to not have to think about doing your hair, like, and just leaving it alone, like leaving it, you know, you don't have to worry about wash day every week. But I mean, this did kind of give me a little reset where I'm not thinking about the big chop as much anymore. So maybe I'll just keep protective styling for now, and then when I do take them all out, I'm really going to give my hair like a bunch of TLC so that I can figure out what the issue is. What is the problem? Yo, this is mad work. Like, getting that lock out of your hair is too much entanglement. I would pay somebody to come help me take these out. I don't know if I'm doing this again. I might just stick to braids. I think it took about 4 hours for her to install this hair, and it better not take me 4 hours to get it out. So you guys let me know in the comments if you have ever dealt with anything like this with your natural hair, like not being able to hold a style, hair always poofing up, looking crazy in 2-3 days after you wash it. What did you do? How did you get your hair back? I'm gonna add some hair growth oil to my ends. I'm going in with this hair growth oil. It has castor oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E, and a bunch of other natural, really good stuff for your hair. So I'm just working that into my ends since they haven't been moisturized in a few weeks. And I'm gonna tuck this side away as I continue to work on the rest. How am I gonna do the back? Is it better to go like top down or down top? I think it's better to go top down, right? It's really not terrible. It's just, it's a little tedious. I don't know. It's not as simple as when you have braids or twists and you can just cut the length of them and just easily unravel them. Okay, now here's the real mess. Do I look crazy? I actually don't look as crazy as I thought I did. The locks are gone. My hair is saturated with oil and leave-in conditioner just as a little pre-poo. So it actually wasn't that bad. I was probably being dramatic, but once I got the hang of it after doing a few and I realized how it was installed, it was easier and quicker to just run through and unravel it, pull my twist out, pull my braid out because it was a different color than the lock, so it was easier to spot, and then just cut the lock, unravel everything, and move on to the next one. So not too bad. I think it was less than 4 hours, but I haven't done a time check. I also stopped to eat because duh. I would do it again because I like the look. I like having a different option, and the removal really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, and we had no snipping accidents. Okay, all my hair is still intact. Came a little bit close though, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm about to wash my hair and prep it for my next protective style. Thanks for watching. Thanks for chit-chatting with me while I remove my faux locks. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace out.